Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie, your certified healthcare virtual assistant and social media manager and content creator. And in today's video, we're going to talk about Upwork. Every time na i-mention yung Upwork, parang ma-hurt talaga ako. Kasi may experience ako noon, share ko sa inyo before going to the topic. So before, when I decided to work from home, nag-search ako ng mga websites and job site kung saan pwede makakita ng mga work online. And isa sa mga website na binisita ko is yung Upwork. And the other way then is to join a group o freelance group, a work from home group sa Facebook. Ginawa ko din yun. And then there's this one post, yung problem niya is how to get his Upwork account approved. And then when I check the comments, ang daming mga comments na nagbibigay ng assistant para ma-approve yung Upwork account. Ako naman, relate ako sa post kasi the same yung experience namin na we tried making an account on Upwork but hindi siya na-approve, nadi-deny siya always. So, kinontak ko yung person, yung bayad is 500 ata para ma-approve yung Upwork mo. Ang gagawin mo lang is ibibigay mo lang yung email address mo sa kanya. Then nung na-approve na, syempre happy si Lola niyo, pero after 1 month ata or 2 months, nasuspend yung account. Oh. And when I asked the support ng Upwork and nag-search ako ng reason bakit nasuspend yung account, either daw may nakita kang client sa Upwork but yung transaction is outside sa Upwork, there's issues sa billing accounts mo, ganon. Hindi sila makabigay ng reason bakit daw na suspend yung account. Sabi nila maghintay daw sa head na mag-email something, pero walang email na dumating. Siyempre hindi ako sumuko. Gumawa ako ng other email address, bagong email address at bagong Upwork account. When I received the approval notification, happy ako kasi may Upwork account ako eh. Pero after a few minutes, suspended again. Kasi daw, the same profile na daw na naka-register sa Upwork system nila. Hindi pa rin ako talaga sumuko. Nag-search talaga ako para may Upwork account ako. So, yung suggestion ng Upwork, when I asked the Upwork how, they said na mag-wait daw ng 30 days. Di daw i-open yung mga last accounts ko para makagawa ako ng bagong Upwork account. So, sinunod ko naman. Naghintay talaga ako ng 1.5 month para gumawa ulit ng Upwork account. New email pa rin. And then, nag-register ng bagong Upwork account. Na-approve. But then again, nasuspend siya. And yun yung relationship namin ni Upwork. Talagang hanggang ngayon, yan yung frustration ko. Wala talaga akong Upwork account. Hanggang ngayon, suspended pa rin yung account ko. Kaya kapag may mga kaibigan ako na, anong Upwork account mo? Something. Or, may Upwork account ka na ba? Talagang na-heartbreak ako kasi yung love life namin ni Upwork, So, when I asked the support again, and when I explained to them what's the situation, sabi nila, may system upgrade daw, mag-wait daw ng days para ma-resolve yung issues, pero hanggang ngayon, wala akong na-receive na email. If may mga viewers ako dyan na na-experience yung ganito, explain nyo nga bakit. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share to you guys ways. Kahit na hindi ako makagawa-gawa ng Upwork account, palagi ako nasususpend, I'm still going to share to you guys ways on how you can get your Upwork account approved. These ways was shared by my mentor on the freelancing group na sinalihan ko. I'm going to share this to you as well. So, sharing is caring. Now, first is go to upwork.com. You can explore the website, and if you're done, you can sign up. When signing up, you have options. Either you can sign up using Google, Apple ID, or with your email. Now, in signing up, I suggest using your business email or your professional email. As for me, I'm going to continue signing up using my email. Now, gumawa ako ng bagong email just for this tutorial. When you click continue, ito po yung makikita mo next. Select country, so Philippines yung pinili natin. Now, when you're done, choose work as a freelancer. Now, before mo i-check yung checkbox, basahin nyo muna tong terms and condition, user agreement, and privacy policy. Huwag nyo kalimutan na lagyan ng username. And then, click create account. Ito po yung makikita mo next, yung welcome message ni Upwork sa'yo. Then, click continue. Now, when you click continue, ito po yung makikita mo next, another message from Upwork. So, start my profile tayo. Now, in getting started with making profile on Upwork, you have 3 options. Upload your LinkedIn profile, upload your resume, fill out manually. For this tutorial, we'll choose fill out manually. Para madali nating mapa-approve yung Upwork account mo, choose a category na few lang yung gumagamit. Example is design and creative and web mobile and software developer. For this tutorial, we'll choose design and creative. For the subcategory, I'll choose art and illustration. Then review your choices, then click next. In selecting a skill, choose 10 skills na pwede mong ma-add. Random lang tong pinipili ko para makabuo tayo ng 10 skills. Ipa-fast forward ko lang tong part na to para hindi ko ma-waste yung time nyo. Once you're done, click next. Now, ito po yung makikita mo next. Once you click next, you will be asked what is your level of experience in this field. So, piliin natin yung intermediate. When you click next, you will be asked to add your education. Ilalagay mo dito yung college education mo muna. Gumagawa-gawa lang ako dito guys ha, for the sake of this tutorial. But I am a graduate in University of Cebu, Banilad Campus, BSN. But for this tutorial, gawa-gawa lang tayo ng mga itseme dito. You can follow all of the process that I'm doing here. Just make sure na once you get your Upwork account approved, iti-change mo lahat yung mga nilagay mo. Now again, ipa-fast forward ko tong part na to para hindi ko ma-waste yung time ninyo. Now, for the degree, you can choose Bachelor in Science only. For the description, you can add a description, but you can also leave it blank. So, for this tutorial, ili-leave blank ko lang siya. Now, once you're done adding your education, you click Save, and then Review, and then click Next. Ito po yung next. After the education, you will be adding your employment history. Now, for my employment, yung ginamit ko dito, chime-chime lang, lagay ko dito is Fiverr, tapos chinek ko dito yung I currently work here. Again, fast forward lang natin tong part na to para hindi ko ma-waste yung time ninyo. Now, make sure na na-fill out mo lahat, including the description. Kung ilalagay mo sa description, dapat nagme-make sense kung ano yung nilagay mo sa title. For the title, nilagay ko dito tong freelancer, but pwede mong ilagay dito animator, video editor, mga ganon. Now, when you click next, mapupunta ka dito sa languages. Sinabi ko dito English, tapos fluent. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng Tagalog, tapos lagay mo sa proficiency, bilingual. When you're done, click next, tapos mapupunta ka sa hourly rate. If you want to know more about the Upwork service fee, ditong 20%, 10%, 5%, may demo video po sila.
When you bill clients on Upwork, you pay an Upwork service fee.
Pwede nyo pong panoorin yan para mas better nyong ma-understand, but for this tutorial, hindi natin papanoorin. And yung nilagay kong hourly rate is $10. When you click next, ito pong tatambad sa inyo, title and overview. Now, with this, dapat po nagme-make sense lahat tong mga nilagay ninyo according to the category na pinili ninyo at sa skills na pinili ninyo. Now, yung nilagay ko dito, chime-chime lang din. Nilagay ko commission art, tapos professional overview. Maglagay ka ng at least 3 to 4 sentences dito. When you're done, check mo yung grammar at saka yung spelling. Okay ba? I used Grammarly. Pwede mo siyang i-add as extension sa Google Chrome. Again, fast forward natin para hindi ko ma-waste yung time ninyo. When you're done, click next. Now, ito po yung next. Maglalagay ka ng professional photo sa profile ninyo. Now, in adding your professional photo, make sure na neutral yung background ninyo and yung face ninyo nakaharap, like front view siya. Iwasan po nating maglagay ng mga selfies dito, mga side view photo, mga ganun. Now, in this tutorial, yung photo lang na nahanap ko sa drive ko is ito. Wag na wag po ninyong gayahin ito, but let's see if mapa-approve ba natin yung profile natin. Once you're done adding your profile photo, click Save, then click Next. Next is your location. Ibo-blur ko lang po yung details kasi hindi na to chime-chime. And once you're done, click next. Next is your contact information. Just make sure na yung contact number mong nilalagay mo dito kasi para may verification ka for security. Once you're done, click preview profile. Make it a habit na bago ka mag-submit ng files, i-review nyo muna. Like for this one, bago mo i-submit yung profile mo, re-review mo if yung mga details is correct and ready to go. Once tapos mo nang i-review yung profile mo, pwede mo na tong i-submit. Now, sa part na to, hindi ko po to ifa-fast forward or ika-cut para makita mo talaga automatic yung pag-reply ni Upwork. Now, as you can see, we are now part of Upwork. One thing also to verify is if yung profile mo live na or public and may makikita kang connections. Second is may matatanggap kang email from Upwork like this one. That means you're good to go. Then, pwede ka na mag-change ng mga details na ginawa natin kanina. And once you're done, congratulations kasi pwede ka na maghanap ng job sa Upwork. And I think that's it for today's video. If you're a medical professional, allied health professional, you want to start your working from home journey with HelloRage, please visit our description box kasi nilagay ko po doon yung link ni HelloRage. And for those people na baby pa sa ganitong setup, work from home, you want to know more about working from home, visit the description box kasi nilagay ko doon yung whole playlist ko about working from home. And if you're new here to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, click that notification bell para kapag may bagong videos ako, ikaw yung unang makakakita. Bye, sweetlings. Take care. Please follow my other social media accounts for you to get a chance to be featured on my next video. Leave a comment below for your questions and suggestions, or take a screenshot of that comment, share it on your Instagram story, and tag me. Thank you so much for watching my video and see you guys on my next video. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.